What's up, fam? It's your boy Pastor Dre right here at GospelDJDrops.com. And today I want to show you how I put a voiceover together for a New Year's Eve celebration taking place at a church. So check it out. All right, first thing I did is I went ahead and laid down the vocal track. This is how the vocal track sounds. On Friday, December 31st, join First Baptist Church Franklin for the New Year's Eve worship experience. All right, next thing I did is I went in and added a little effect, a telephone effect on the voice. Let me show it to you. On Friday, December 31st, join First Baptist Church Franklin for the New Year's Eve worship experience. So what I did is I just copied the master track and then I put a little telephone effect on it. So then what I do is I put that right behind the master. So now I'm going to play the master track and the telephone effect. On Friday, December 31st, join First Baptist Church Franklin for the New Year's Eve worship experience. All right, next thing I did is I went ahead and added some music. Let me play the music for you. So we got the vocal master, telephone effect, and the music track. Here we go. On Friday, December 31st, join First Baptist Church Franklin for the New Year's Eve worship experience. This will be the worship celebration of... All right, family. And then what I did at the end, I just added an echo right here on the master track. In the first, then at the first, then at the first. So I added a little echo effect to the master track that says at the first. In the first, then at the first, then at the first. And then at the very end, I just put a sound effect to go ahead and end it off like this. At the first, then at the first. So let's play everything from the top and you can see the finished product. Let's go ahead and play everything. Here we go. On Friday, December 31st, join First Baptist Church Franklin for the New Year's Eve worship experience. This will be the worship celebration of the year, featuring FBC's Praise and Worship Team, the Ministry of Arts Dance Teams, and don't miss the return of the choir, and a special word from Pastor Jennings to launch us into the new year. It's an all-black affair, so fellas get fresh, ladies get fabulous, and bring your good vibes for a New Year's Eve celebration like no other. It all starts at 9:30 p.m., doors open at 9. This New Year's Eve, there's no better way to bring in the first than at the first. All right, there you go, family. That's how we do it over at GospelDJDrops.com. If you need some gospel DJ drops, radio jingles, or a voiceover for your next church event, hit your boy up, www.GospelDJDrops.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. God bless.